Superman syndrome. Just now you feel nothing is going to happen to you. अरे वो सब जो होता है ना, वो बाजू वाले के घर में, or in that company, or this kind of sector, nothing is happening to me. It is happening to you. At this age, you feel you are invincible. अरे badminton, I used to play badminton in school. In college, I was the fastest runner. But what is your reality today? You are not going to store all that. Of course, there's muscle memory. If you take up your game again, there is muscle memory. You will take two, 3 shots and then you'll be back. But body doesn't store it. आज, if you want good health today, आज के लिए आज काम करना पड़ेगा. Old health, school, college, great. Doesn't percolate to now. So if you have that Superman syndrome, Superwoman syndrome, it's better to get humble and say it's going to happen to me as well.